Alright, the problem with this self-learning thermostat is it learns temperatures and then resets. I had my heater turn on automatically this morning. Not good. It's 71 degrees in the house. It's set to 73. If you wanted to change this, you can go into your settings or your schedule, and what you'll see here is all these numbers. Now if you just erase them, that's often how I have been doing it. But what you could do is you can go to each setting, push the button once, and you can remove it or you can change it. So hit cancel, show you here again on the screen. You've got each of the little numbers. Not sure they're going to come through that well on the video. Let me see if I turn the flash on. There you go. With the flash you can see it better. So let me go back.
And there's
here.
how you can add a new setting and time if you wanted to.
Okay, here's what our temperature is. 71 degrees in the house now. Heater's set to 73. You can go in here to your schedule setting, and you can see what the scheduled settings are. Now this is a self-learning thermostat, so it'll learn over time. It'll learn the settings, and if you didn't like something, you can remove it. Like this one, I can go in there and either remove it or I can change it. If you remove it, it's just going to be gone, but eventually the thermostat may learn your settings again. You could actually change it, change the time that it changes, and then you can also change the degree that it changes. So you push it once to adjust it and push it again. Like if I lowered it there, and then hit done. And now when we go into the schedule, it'll have that same schedule. So, done deal. That's how you can adjust it or change it, or you can just delete that setting altogether. Let's see, I'll go back in, show you removing the setting. So go to this one here and say remove, and now it's gone. And so it's got settings for each weekday. So that's that. I'm going to leave this one alone for the moment. Or I might remove it. Then I can go done. And now it's set to 73, but once it reaches that temperature it'll turn off, but now it's not going to be programmed to come on again another day. But if I just change the temperature, then it would be programmed at what I put it at. So one way around it would be to actually program it, if I didn't want it to turn on, to just program it to 64 across the board so that it didn't turn on. But just different ways to manage. It's, you know, can be a little frustrating because it does have a bit of a brain of its own, and because of that sometimes you've got to kind of tell it what to do, unless you want it to be able to program itself. So that's a little on the Nest thermostat self-learning programming.